this is Liu View channel. My name is Martin, and I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called fried chicken with peanuts. It's a very classic and popular dish in China. It's Chinese name called 宫保鸡丁. And the main ingredient we need 4 chicken thigh. If you don't have chicken thigh, and use the chicken legs. Per close to 1 pound, or the chicken breast. Either is okay. And you need 1 cup of peanut, the heavily cooked peanut, uncooked peanut, and you wash it and drain. The people have a drain. And you need 1 carrot and 1 leek. If you don't have leek, you can use the scallion to replace it, and some celery. Usually they use the cucumber. So today I use celery. You can use half cucumber to replace it. And we also need a ginger and garlic. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. We cut some ginger. We don't need a lot of ginger. We probably just need 1 teaspoon of ginger. We need to slice it, the garlic. Okay, we cut the carrot. We cut it like this, and cut it from the middle. So we cut it like this, a small, like yeah, a small one. We cut the leek. If you don't have the leek, you can use a scallion to replace it. We just cut it like this long, like this. The leaf is same. Put it with the carrot. And usually they use the cucumber. I don't have cucumber, half cucumber, so I just use the celery to replace it. So you just cut it like the leeks. Don't cut too long. Roughly like this. We got the chicken thigh. Your chicken that has bones, we just get a bone out, and we don't throw the bones. For those bones we can frozen or for the next day we can use it to make a chicken broth or some chicken soup. It's really good. So the bones just we don't need to get all the meat out. Most of the meat out from the bones. We cut it. From middle to piece. We cut it. We cut it to cube. Try it not too small, not too big. So we cut it probably this big, because when you fry it, it will become small. So just like this, probably this big. If you don't have chicken thigh, you usually use the chicken leg to do this. You choose chicken leg and or the chicken breast. Yeah, either it's okay. If you have any chicken, I think it's okay. It's the chicken. You just cut it to a cube, a small cube. Not too big, not too small. Then when you fry and the chicken will shrink. Put the cut chicken in the pot. If you don't like chicken skin on it, you can just peel the chicken skin and throw it. Pull it off and throw it. The chicken bones, so we keep it. And we can make some soup. Or the chicken broth, we can use it, so we don't throw it away. So I don't make the meat very clear. And then you can make some soup. So you can put it in the freezer or fridge for the next 1 or 2 days use. If you freezer, you can use it for next maybe after 2 weeks. You can use it. This meat we need to process it. This is salt, and we add a pinch of salt. Don't add too much. Okay. This is the black pepper. We add some black pepper, a pinch to it. Don't add too much. This is a cooking wine. We add probably 1 teaspoon cooking wine to it. This is a whole egg. We add a whole egg to it. This is the potato starch and any starch, so we add 1 teaspoon potato starch to it. Okay, we use a chopstick to mix it. Okay, we use a plastic wrap to seal and put it in room temperature for 10 minutes or maybe a little longer until we cook it. We turn the stove medium fire. This is the vegetable oil. We add 1 cup to 2 cups vegetable oil to fry the peanut. To rinse the pot. We don't need to wait the oil too hot. We add the washed and drained and dried peanuts into the oil. We don't need the oil too hot. Just add it to it. So this we can make sure the peanut be well cooked. So peanut is frying. We just watch carefully. Don't let the peanut burn. If it burns, it won't taste good. You can have the peanut skin on without the peanut, let the peanut skin off. If you want to take the skin off, you just put the peanut in the microwave and 1 minute, and then let it slow cool down, and then just try to squeeze it, and the skin will fall out, and you can get it just without the skin. So I just keep the skin. No problem. When you see the peanut become brown, the color become brown, and then quick stop, turn off the stove, and drain the oil, because you can't cook it more. All the peanut will be burned and it won't taste good. So right now we just drain the oil. We just drain the oil and put the peanut in the room temperature. Let it cool down, and the peanut will become very crispy. We turn the stove and medium flame, and when the oil and add the fried peanut oil, a quarter cup of oil to it, and add the ginger and garlic to it to fry it. We add the ginger and the garlic. We also add 1 star anise to it and fry it. When the ginger and garlic smell released out, we add we pre-processed the chicken into it. And fry the chicken. This is the Sichuan chili sauce, and we add 1 teaspoon of Sichuan chili sauce to it. And fry it. This is chili powder. We add a pinch of chili powder to it. Don't add too much. It depends on you. If you want more spicy, you can add more chili powder. This is the Sichuan peppercorn. We add, I think probably one teaspoon. You can add as much as you want. If you want this spicy more, add this more. If you want chili spicy more, add more chili spicy. Just slowly cook it, medium flame, slowly cook it. Let all the fat in the chicken come out, and the chicken also be cooked. And to stir, don't let it stick to the pot. When the chili sauce and release the color, red color, and all the spicy flavor released out, we add I think probably half teaspoon of salt. Don't add too much, because when we process we already add salt, so don't add too much. And the chili sauce also has salt. Okay, now we add the celery, cucumber, and LEEK into it. Usually it's added the carrots, cut the cube carrots and cucumber and into it. If you have the sardine sauce, just get the sardine sauce And you can add half teaspoon of sardine sauce to it and make the flavor more good. If you don't have it, you don't need to add it. If you have it, you can add some. We let's try the carrots, if the carrots cooked or not. And try the flavor. The flavor is so good. So the meat is cooked. I already tried it's cooked. So right now we add the fried peanuts into it. We added right now added because we don't want peanut to cook it too long in the meat. All the peanut won't be crispy. You can try the carrots. The chicken is cooked. Okay. So we turn off the stove. So the宫保鸡丁and fried chicken with peanuts, this dish is done, and I hope you like it.